Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of I Love Fishing here. We are out here today on the Mississippi fishing pool too. So just got here, just got ready. As you can tell behind me, you should see the water's running pretty fast. Lots of water coming down from all the rain and snow that's been melting in Minnesota. We launched at right this spot. For those that know, you should know. Yep, here we are. Gonna check out today, see if we can get on any basses today, and we'll let you guys know how that goes, as you guys will see in the video. All right, catch you guys in a bit. All right, guys, hasn't looked good so far. So far, just caught branches, and now just caught leaves. Oh my goodness! Got a bunch of leaves on this mopper popper. Just what we needed. Some natural forage. Oh, just a branch. Got me excited for a second. Oh, yo. Alright, guys. So far, nothing. We see lots of bait fish on the shore, but this whole area has changed. You guys can tell, for those that have been out here, this is whole new waters with that opened, where they opened that end. Just completely changed. If you guys know this area, this used to be very shallow, and there was like a rock wall or some sort, where they just stacked a bunch of rocks along the shoreline. But this is a river. So for those that want to know or see what the update is with this new opening that they did, and of course this is during the spring high water time, but definitely not what it used to be. So that's the current state as it is of right now. And get back to fishing. Throwing some swim bait stuff here. My son is doing some crawfish, pitching some crawlers, see if there's anything on the bottom. I'm trying to see if there's anything chasing schools of fish. We're trying different things here, see if there's anything anywhere. We'll try to see if there's any sinkhole bites here. Alright guys, this is where we got to. It's really fast right there, so we're not gonna take that route. Got to this corner here and did all we could. Nothing. So not sure if it's too early or because the water structure here is all changed or water's high, but it's dirty as hell. So, you know, at least we gotta come check this out. Give you guys this update on how Great Cloud St. Paul Park, the Mississippi backwater area looks like. So take it for what you guys can, and we're gonna float down back to the beginning and see where that leads us. So see you guys in a bit. In stretch here, nothing so far at all. Lots of trees that we've been getting. Still see lots of bait fish jumping around and stuff, but no fishy. So, yeah. My son thinks the water's still too cold, and pretty sure he's correct because it's still early as heck. But it's turned out to be a beautiful day so far. Ugly foggy, but now it's awesome. So we'll continue our grind here and see how this goes. Ooh, you see that, dude? Must have been a bass. Wow, that was our first sign of life right there. Alright, we're back to where we kind of started. Yeah, this is it. This is how St. Paul Park, Backwater, Mississippi looks like. There's a famous back wall we're about to reach here in a little bit. We'll give that a try and see if there's anything there. We made it to this famous rock wall that everybody knows of. This is how it looks like. Definitely super fast water running. Also, no more nice slack pool underneath the edges here. We used to always get fish here, but I have a feeling we're not going to. And we're getting pushed pretty fast here. Whoa. Yeah, it's moving us too fast. Can't really fish. Well, both can't really fish. Yeah, I think it's too fast for us. Yeah, you used to be able to just pitch it right here and you'll get something. Dinkers, at least something. Maybe you just gotta try again when it's low water, slow water. Oh, big fish jumping. All right, that's that was that. Try to see if we could cruise past all of this. We just got done loading up the canoe onto shore here. We had a tough day today. Nothing out there today, so it was a good day. It turned out to be a very beautiful sunny day. But yeah, this place has definitely changed. But then it was good. Good to be out. So until the next video, we'll catch you guys again. Peace.